Hi guys, I'm Sanam and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. Today we're making the accidental cocktail Moscow Mule. It was invented in 1941. Before that, American has never tried vodka and they didn't like it. And also ginger beer wasn't selling. So what happened next is that John Martin, he just bought Smirnoff and brought it to America. And on the other hand, it was Jack Morgan, he was brewing his own ginger beer, but that wasn't selling either. On top of that, there's Sophie, a girl who packed a suitcase full of copper mugs and brought them to America hoping to sell them. What happens next? They gather in an LA bar and they come up with this drink. So what they do is they mix vodka with ginger beer, add a splash of lime, and just like that, Moscow Mule was created. They serve this mix in the copper mugs that Sophie brought. And because of that, the drink stays cold for much longer. And that's basically the signature. Like whenever you go to a bar and order a Moscow Mule, they normally serve it to you in a copper mug. So why it's called Moscow Mule? Basically, this drink was created in sunny California and it's not a Russian drink. So you know vodka originates from Russia. And the mule, it's basically for the kick that ginger beer has in the drink. What happens next is John grab a suitcase, fill it with these shiny mugs, take a Polaroid camera with himself, and travels to bars. So in the first bar, what he does is he teaches the bartender to make a Moscow Mule, and then he snapped a photo of him holding that mix in a copper mug, and give a copy to him, the bartender, to put it on the shelf, and he takes the other copy and take it with himself to the bar next door, and he just says, this is a new cocktail, your buddy makes it, everyone likes it, you should serve it too. And he keeps doing this, and that's how the words get around. So now, let's go and make this cocktail. As I mentioned earlier, you need a copper mug. I don't have that, I only had a copper pot and a plate. So I'm just gonna use a normal glass. What you need to do next, you need to add your vodka. I'm gonna add 60 ml of vodka. $45. That's 60 vodka. Then you need 15 ml of lime juice. Obviously you can squeeze it fresh, which is gonna taste much nicer, but I'm gonna use this store-bought one. Then what you need to do, you fill your glass with ice. And then you grab your ginger beer and top of to garnish it, I'm gonna add a wedge of lime. That's my lime wedge coming up. Just splash on my face. And last but not least, you need some mint leaf. And voila, you have your Moscow Mule. But before that, I will give it a gentle stir, just to make sure everything mixes well. Now I have my garnish. I can't go all the way around it, so you might do it before you garnish it. Again, voila, here's your Moscow Mule. Let's go taste it and see how it tastes. So refreshing. I like that kick of the ginger. Mule's kick. But yeah, it tastes nice. Thumbs up. By the end of the World War II, the Moscow Mule was kind of everywhere. People stopped hating vodka, and ginger beer wasn't weird, and everybody loved that ginger kick. So yeah, if you like this tale, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're the Tipsy Duo. And yeah, cheers guys. I'm gonna come back with more tales. Refreshing. Bye bye.